From RG System. Today I'm going to show you how to create your first trial of the dashboard edge system. So first of all, you have to go on our website here on rgsystem.com and click on the free trial button. Here you will have the little formula to put your email address. So just put here your email address on both of those and click on validate. You will receive an email with a link to activate here your account. So just click on activate your account and you will be redirected to a formula to put all of your information. So your first and last name, your company, your language, your cell number for text message alerts, your location. So here I'm in Europe. Your activity. So here I'm an MSP, and your password. Just check the box for accept the information and click on validate. Here, when you validate all the information, you will have access to your dashboard. So here my dashboard is empty. So we will download and install our first agent. So to download your agent, you can here go on the download menu here and choose the architecture of Windows, macOS or Linux for your agent. Or you can go on our website, rgsystem.com, and go on resources menu. And at the bottom of the page, you can here have all the links to download the agent. So I downloaded the agents here. So I unzip the file and I click here on rgsetup.exe. I just have to put my email address here. I can check here my network settings. So if I have a proxy server to connect, I can test the connectivity between my agent and the RG system back office. Here, I just click on login to install my agent. So when I click on login, the agent will check my dashboard and will ask me where I want to put my agent on my dashboard. Here in this list, I can choose the node, so on the node here, and I click on install and register. My agent is now installed, so I click here on OK. I just come back on here my dashboard, and I can here right-click and refresh to see my agent here. So here you can see the tree view, and the tree view is in multi-tenancy mode, and I can here right-click and click and create a new node. For example, is my first client, so client 1. I can drag and drop the agent here on my first client. You can find here all the menu to navigate and configure your dashboard. So we'll see each of this menu on others videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you later for a new tutorial. Bye-bye.